this activity is good for the toddlers as well. Do watch this video till end and you can see that how Ethan is enjoying and participating with repotting the plant.
Or a drumstick tree or a horseradish. So this actually can become very big tree, but that is why we just want to put it in a pot so we can control the height. And if you want to take it with you, if you means in future if you want to move, so you can take it with you, so it's easy for that. And also, like in the pot there is a reason, because moringa need a little bit warm temperature, so in winters you can keep it inside. It's very easy if it's in the pot. Alright, so how we can do that? Alright, so this is the empty pot I had here, of course with the holes. And so today I got some walnut shells. You can use them as the base. If you don't have them, you can use the bark. So I'm going to put your bark. There are a few options. You can put it like underneath the bottom layer. So like bark or some little pebbles, or what else we can put? Coconut shells. And similarly like this one, so these are the walnut shells. Can you put them inside? Can you put them inside? Put it. Put it. Put it in. Yay, good job. Or even peanuts. Peanut shells you can put it as well. Basically we need something so that the water can drain through easily. That's the main reason. Yeah. And now with that I'm gonna just put a little pieces of paper here. Can you put paper? A little layer of a potting mix. So I'm using this Kiwi Garden potting mix, but if you have the better one, so I actually highly recommend for Chewy. It's very good, really. But I have this one, like one bag left, so I need to use it. So that is why I'm doing that. So we'll just put one layer. One is done. Now only guys, there is one more thing which you can put in for your plants, very helpful. All the food spray from your kitchen. So I have this bucket which I like, save for a week. Yeah, okay. So do you want to put this one in? Yeah, like this. So I'm gonna put half here and then half I'm gonna just ground it under the. Put it here. Yeah, let's keep it food. Yeah. So this actually, when the tree will grow, the roots, by the time this will become a good, compost. Lemon. So I have all sort of things, and it doesn't smell bad. Actually, it smells so good because of orange and lemons here. Few things you can do if like you can't, store this much of peels, or if you don't have place to bury them. So what you can do, you can just use some peels like onion or garlic, which I think most of the time if you are cutting them and peeling it. So just put it in one jar. If it's a glass jar and well and good, just put at least 1 liter of water and maybe 1 or 2 onions peel, and just leave it at least for 2 days, and then use that water for your indoor and outdoor plants. But make sure mix it with the other normal water, so maybe 1 liter water into 3 liter water, the plain water, and then mix it and then put it. It's a very good fertilizer, guys. So I'm gonna use here the Chewy one which I was telling you guys. Put a little bit of compost soil here. And yes, I'm gonna show you one technique here. So I'll just put it here like this. So maybe we'll need little more, so that it need to be like this much. Okay, so maybe this much more. Okay, so a little bit more. What we're gonna do, we're gonna just fill the dirt or the potting mix around this pot, and then later I'll just take it off, so it's easy, like we know that how much we need to keep. Okay, I'm gonna just hold it. As I said, so, and just take it off. So you already got a little hole here. Okay, Ethan, come here. Do you want to put the plant? Come on, puppies. Come on, puppies. Hold the plant from here. Hold the plant from here. Hold it. Hold it. Gentle, gentle. Yes. Well done, buddy.
And hope guys you like this video and you like how I did the repot, means me and Ethan. Please do check the description for the goodness of moringa, and if you have any doubts or anything you want to know, just let me know in a comment box, and I'll see you soon in next video. So till then, bye bye, and keep watching Mama and Ethan vlogs. Thank you.